Maybe.
Sorry.
Maybe.
Sorry.
Maybe.
Sorry. Everything about me is protruding. You know?
Evidence of good living.
The sense because of you. That you're the one cooking for me.
But like I don't know, I don't even enter the kitchen.
You enter the kitchen, have to cook yourself.
Today I'll be cooking for you. So let's walk down to the kitchen. Today I'll be preparing okra soup. And these are my ingredients. This is the meat stock. This is oil. This is blended crayfish, salt and maggi. Blended pepper. This is the shrimps, snail, crab, turkey, fish, and yogurt. I have the empty pot. Our first step is to turn on the gas. Then turn the meat stock to boil. We'll leave it here for some time to boil. I'll put back the already boiled turkey and the meat stock. Then let it boil a little. Then I will add my blended pepper. Then I'll add my can of oil. Shake. And stir to make sure the oil comes enough. Next step is the blended crayfish. The next step is to add the shrimps. So because it's too thick, we need to add extra water. You stir well. The next step is to add the maggi. The pieces. stir. Then I'll add my slip. You stir. Then I'll add my this. Well, I would have added the fish next, but for the fish not to be too soft, I'll add yoko and the fish last. And I'll stir my. Then you stir. And then I'll finally add my fish. Be careful with the fish so it won't pieces. My soup is ready to serve and it's called seafood pork.